Namaste all, this is Shekhar. Welcome back to my channel SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing. Guys, what is this? Yeah, this is a pen. Is it yours? Is it your pen? Is it theirs? Is it their pen? Is it his pen? Is it his? Is it her pen? Is it hers? Is it our pen? Is it ours? No, not at all. This pen belongs to me. This is mine. This pen is mine. This is mine. This is a pen of mine. Friends, you have found some words like my, mine, your, yours, our, ours, his, her, hers, their and theirs that I have delivered in my sentences. So what are these called? These are called possessive pronouns. Friends, at the moment I have to make you remember my previous video in which we discussed what personal pronouns are. So under personal pronouns we discussed subjective case, objective case. What is left? Possessive case. Under possessive case we have all these possessive pronouns. So what is possessive pronoun? A possessive pronoun is a pronoun which demonstrates ownership, expressing something belongs to somebody else. For example, this is my pen. This belongs to me. This pen is mine. This is a pen of mine. That's why in that way we can use possessive pronouns. Let us see in the table. First person, second person, third person. Plural, singular, plural. We already discussed what first person and what second person, what third persons are. What is singular and what is plural. If it is one, singular. If it is more than one, it's plural. So first persons I, we, second persons you, and third persons he, she, it, they. So under first person, the singular possessive words are my, mine. Plural possessive words are ours. Under second person, your and yours. In singular as well as plural we use only two words, your, yours. Under third person we have under singular his, her, its, hers. Under plural we have they, theirs. Let us see the meanings. Let us see the Telugu words of these. My, na yokka, mine, nadi. Our, ma yokka, ours, madi. Your, ni yokka, mi yokka. Yours, nidi, midi. Okay. His, అతని యొక్క, her, ఆమె యొక్క, hers, ఆమెది. His, అతని యొక్క, అతనిది. Her, ఆమె యొక్క, hers, ఆమెది. Its, దాని యొక్క, దానిది. Okay. Their, వారి యొక్క, theirs, వారిది. Friends, these possessive pronouns, some of these possessive pronouns behave like adjectives. Some of them behave like nouns. Let us see how they are. You know what adjective is? Adjective modifies nouns. So you see all these possessive pronouns come before nouns. Let us see. This is my pen. Pen is a noun. My comes before a noun pen. This is my pen. That is their building. Okay. Their comes before a noun building. Okay. This is your house. So your comes before a noun house. Okay. So all these words come before nouns. Let us see one by one. This is my building. This is our house. Okay. Your. This is your shirt. This is your car. This is his shirt. This is his car. Her, that is her saree. That is its chain. That is their building. Okay. Let us see these possessive words which behave like nouns. These words come alone. They can come independently. There is no any other word along with these possessive pronouns. Let us see. This is mine. That is theirs. That is yours. The building over there is yours. The saree is hers. The chain is its. This is his. Okay, like that we can use possessive pronouns. Okay. Friends, there are some special cases like Your Majesty, Your Excellency. Here, your is possessive pronoun. Your Majesty, Your Excellency. Your Majesty and Your Excellency are the titles of respect given when addressing some persons of royal families like king, queen, emperor and empress, like Your Majesty, Your Excellency. Okay, me mahima, me atyunnati, like that. Okay. One more special case, yours truly, yours sincerely, yours obediently, yours faithfully. So here generally we make a common mistake. What is that? Apostrophe. Don't use apostrophe between your and s. Between your and s, don't use that. That is the wrong usage. Okay, friends, remember, possessive pronouns are never spelled with apostrophes. Okay, they come always without apostrophe. Okay, don't use that. Okay, don't make that mistake again. Okay, yours truly, yours faithful, and yours sincerely, yours obediently, without apostrophes. Okay, remember it. And one more, that my goodness. Look at this. My goodness. So my goodness, here my is possessive pronouns. My goodness. My goodness. Look at the time. Here you see exclamation. So this expression, my goodness, is used in exclamations to express surprise. Friends, please remember, whatever is essential to you to speak in English, the same I will teach you. Whatever you require to speak English language, the same I teach you. Okay, not more than that. Okay. For example, you see here possessive pronouns. There are so many pronouns like demonstrative pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, like that. Okay, we are not discussing at the moment. Okay, there are so many important concepts like tenses, voice, speech, degrees of comparison, like that. Okay, while learning all these things, we can go back whenever necessary. Okay, in the beginning we should not go deep. Okay, that is the right idea. That's not a good idea of learning all those things in the beginning. Okay, have you subscribed my channel? If not yet, please subscribe it immediately, and please share my videos with your friends and hit the bell icon for instant notifications when I upload a new video. Like it and share it with all. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much for your time, and take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.